Ideo. Bob is working as bus driver and he's very popular amongst the residents. And for that reason, he called for our help. He wants us to calculate whether there is enough space in his bus to take all the passengers from the stop, and if there isn't enough space, we should return the number of passengers he can take. Well, let's get over to our text editor. As you can see, we have a cap. That's the amount of people the bus can hold, excluding the driver. The on argument is the number of people on the bus excluding the driver, and wait is the number of people waiting to get on the bus excluding the driver. As you can see in the test cases, we have to return 0 if the capacity is enough to take all the passengers from the stop. But as you can see in the second test case, we have a capacity of 60, but there are already 60 people on the bus. So if there are 50 people waiting, we have to return the 10 passengers we can take into the bus. How to go about this? Well, we can start off with an if statement. If the passengers on the bus plus the waiting passengers is less than the capacity, we have to return 0. Else we have to return the passengers on the bus plus the waiting passengers minus the capacity. Let's try this out. We have a problem here. Oh, it's a typo. Okay. Here we get 0. Let's take the second one. This should return 10. Works as designed. Alternatively, we could use the max function. Let me explain. So let me take this, return the maximum of this calculation or 0. And that basically means that if the capacity is sufficient, that the calculation will be a negative integer, so a 0 will be returned. And on the other hand, if the capacity is not sufficient, the calculation will return a positive integer. In other words, the passengers we can take. Let's grab this and test it out. And there you go.